What's going on, guys? My name is Yusuf, and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be showing you guys a little something that I figured out. Something that I figured out about like 2 weeks ago on my channel. So if you type in, if I go to my channel right here, go to my channel, and then this is when like I lost my like good Fortnite count. So it looks depressing, right? So I see that one dislike, so I go to the comments, right? And look what. Hold on. Oh, no. Bro, this kid, like, what are you doing here? Okay, so I'm like, okay. So I ignored him. So now, we're going over to his channel and seeing, how good he is at making YouTube videos. Isn't that good? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's definitely do that. I just need to put the screen in. Alright, there we go. Okay, 184 subscribers. That's not bad. Pretty cool background. We'll just ignore that for now. And let's go to this video. Packs. Okay. So, I know what you're thinking. Why am I here? So, oh, what we're all been waiting for. Nobody wants this. No, get out. Can I like? I can't do that block thing. Oh, alright. So, I mean, he does like sometimes he tries to clickbait with like hacks and stuff. I don't know. So this is thing trailer reaction. Okay, I want to see this. Hurry up. Oh yeah, okay. So is he not gonna like react or anything? Is he not gonna? Where's? Okay, he said 4 names. That's good. Oh my God, this is. Okay, let's go down to his comments and see what the people have to say about them. Hey guys, lol, I am dead. Do Clash Royale 3. Diamond Craft. Go back to Minecraft videos. Muhammad Gunner says, nice vid, but more commentary next time. That's what I said. And this guy just typed in, stupid. Okay, that's cool. Um, yep, definitely comedy. It made me laugh. Yep, bro. I'm back, football family. You know what? We'll just like skip that one. Let's go to this one. Yeah. Let's go to this one. You inspected it, dummy. You inspect on your mouse. Yeah. inspect. So you guys kind of are wondering, so why am I still here? Just to show you guys how good his videos are, you know. Like I just wanted to show you guys how, like just reacting to his very good channel, by the way. I'll put his channel in the description. No hate to this guy. You know, he was maybe on his period that day, so he didn't know what he was saying. So yeah, I'm trying to freaking put the screen back. This is so annoying. Alright, there we go. I'm back with another video. Okay, let's go. Trump Simulator. I'll pass. Okay, how to hack Bowmasters. See, like, he does a lot of hacking videos for views, as you can see. How to hack Subway Surfers, Bowmasters. I mean, it's good. Uh, yeah. He didn't do a Clash Royale hack before. I don't know why. It's so easy to do it. PewDiePie is the freaking got hacked. That game got hacked on the first day. I mean, it got like data mined or something, and they got like all the coins. Let's see how good this guy is at Clash Royale because he obviously likes to post a lot of Clash Royale videos, guys. Alright, we don't want any depression, alright? Let's just watch you. Hey, guys! Alright, come on. Yeah, I like that. Did? Oh, yep, I believe that. Yeah. After this video, I'm gonna go watch his most recent video of his like recording computer, and I swear to God, if it's the same one, I'm literally gonna kill myself. It's gonna give him rares and epics. That's it, and it's gonna give him more comments. Yep, I played this game before. It's just fun. Sounds really depressed, I guess. Let's see how good he is. Ooh, okay. He already has almost a tower. Hopefully, because if he doesn't, he's gonna stop the video and restart it. God dang it. Oh yeah, I remember in these days, the Bandit was actually really rare, and like it was like it came out like that day, or like the day he's uploading or something. But the thing is, the Bandit now is just like, yeah, it's a legendary, cool legendary good, but like it's not rare anymore. It's like the bat sickle in Fortnite when it used to be rare and nobody knew about it, and now like people will like know about it and stuff. That's like how the Bandit story is. So yeah, that's. I mean, he's doing pretty good. Let me see if he wins. He's probably gonna win. He got that left tower pretty good. Yeah, he won. Good job. That was really close. Yep. Alright, let's go and over and see. This is Mexico. Alright, first let's see this one. 3 months ago. Okay, that's it's pretty racist, but it's alright. I guess no way we made it to where? To your house? Still on his phone. He was like, I can't wait until I make some videos with my new computer. All on his phone, by the way. So I like that lie. It's alright. You almost got away with it. Um, but yeah. hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and yeah, so peace.